Good morning, I'm Professor Warren Manning, Provost for Innovation and Research at the University of Derby, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the Pro Vice-Chancellor Dean's Awards celebrations. We're delighted you could be here to celebrate with us your achievements and successes through our academic year 2019-20, and I'd like to congratulate each and every one of you. I'd now like to hand over to Dr. Chris Bussell, Pro Vice-Chancellor Dean, to commence the celebrations.
Hello and welcome to the College of Science and Engineering's Dean's Award. Thank you, Warren, for that introduction. I am Dr. Chris Bussell. I'm the Pro Vice-Chancellor and Dean for the College. I'm immensely proud to lead such a diverse college and one whose core focus is on STEM subject areas. We have seen over the past year the importance of science, engineering and the use of data and other informatics applied to a public health and medical advancement situation. Indeed, much of the epidemiological modelling that data science is at its core has been applied over this past year, and we can see the benefits of working at the intersections of our discipline areas of science, technology, engineering and maths to address global issues. Likewise, the importance of physical activity and outdoor engagement has been a key element to public health messaging over the past year, recognising the importance for our both physical and mental health. It is now having an effect on the lives that we live and the way in which we live in the future, and in particular, for example, in our lived-in landscapes and particularly in our urban design through Greening the Grey, which is another core element of our schools within the college. As a college with STEM at its heart, we are focused on addressing some of the big questions and grand challenges that face our societies today and in the future. Each of our academic schools deliver undergraduate and postgraduate degrees that are both current, that is, they're informed by research and professional practice in both their curriculum and pedagogy, and they are relevant, which means that we create graduates that are delivering the applied and practical based experiences that are expected by employees as you move into your world of work. At its core of what we do is the principle of curiosity applied. It's hard for me to put into words what this actually means because it is more of a feeling than a statement. But to try and articulate it, it's that moment when you have that light bulb realization. It's that point where one moves from being taught to being learnt, and is a point where it is a truly transformational and magical moment. I'm sure that all my academics across the college can recognise that moment when you have a group of students in front of you and you see that slight tilt in their head and you realise that that is the point that they get the subject area. And it has moved from being that point of being taught to having that learning experience, and it is that moment of realisation that you're now on a learning journey. And that's the core part of what we do within the college, is putting that application of theory into practice and applying the curiosity that you have as students, that we have as academics to our own subject areas, and driving that forward in the way in which we create graduates for the future. I see the passion in my academic and technical staff and that they have for their subject areas and the enthusiasm that they have to share their knowledge and their love of their subject areas to their students. And this is infectious. Today we are here to acknowledge and celebrate our students, your achievements and your accomplishments in their academic studies. Such achievements do not come by chance. They are a result of hard work, dedication, focus, motivation and drive to achieve. And achieve you have. What is even more remarkable is how you have adapted to new ways of working, new ways of learning, responding to changes in the delivery modes, and finding solutions to challenges in innovative ways. I applaud each of our students, and particularly those who are here today, on your achievements, and thank my academic and technical staff for the role that they have played in your successes and accomplishments that we are here to celebrate today. The Dean's Awards have been in operation since 2017. The award scheme has grown year on year and has become a well-established occasion in the events of each of the college's calendars. Throughout 2018-19, a total of 240 students from across the Colleges of Life and Natural Sciences and the College of Engineering and Technology, which now, this academic year, is a single college of the College of Science and Engineering, have achieved the Dean's Award from around about 3,500 students that are within the college. The award scheme is promoting within the Student Experience Framework, which aims to celebrate and recognise students' achievements, accomplishments and their academic excellence. The achievement is formally recorded with the students at their final graduation ceremonies as and when we're able to do that, hopefully in the near future. The criteria for the Dean's Award is the recognition of the top 10% of students based on their academic performance. This includes award winners who have averaged a grade in excess of 65% or higher across their academic year, and for students who have been awarded a mark of 2-1 or greater in 5 or more of their modules. So congratulations to the recipients of the Dean's Award who are here to celebrate today. Well done to you all. I would now like to hand over to my heads of school in sequence, commencing to begin with the School of Built and Natural Environment, and handing over to my colleague, Dr. Sian Davies-Follen. Sian.
Thank you very much, Chris. I'd like to welcome students who are studying degrees in the School of the Built and Natural Environment, their family and friends. The School of the Built and Natural Environment is new. It formed this academic year as part of a restructure in subjects in science and engineering. It covers a variety of subjects from A to Z. It really is A to Z, from architecture to zoology. What brings these subjects together is their importance to a sustainable future and to the growing green economy. Students are studying subjects that address society's grand challenges, such as climate change and the loss of biodiversity, and subjects that are key to securing sustainable cities, buildings, energy and infrastructure, creating a livable landscape. Today, we are honouring those students who have excelled in these subjects, and I'd like to congratulate you all. I'm going to hand over to Dr. Joanna Poon, the Head of Built Environment, who will read out the names of students we are honouring in civil engineering, quantity surveying, construction management and property development, architecture and technological practice, and interior venue and design. She will be followed by Dr. Andrew Ramsey, the Head of Environmental Science, and he will read out the names of students we are honouring in zoology, biology, geography, geology, environmental hazards and global development, as well as students from our partner college, Derby College, who are studying degrees in equine studies and in animal management. I would now like to hand you over to Dr. Joanna Poon, the Head of the Built Environment.
Good morning, my name is Joanna Poon, Head of Discipline for Built Environment. It is my pleasure to present the winners of the discipline. Bachelor of Science Honours in Civil Engineering, Benjamin Daly, Luke Robinson, Cameron Tuxford. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Harley Chapman, Alex Harris, Jan Suraski. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with Industrial Year, Hannah Butler, Samuel Spanlove. Bachelor of Arts Honours in Interior Architecture and Venue Design, Abigail Davies, Gary Dawson. Bachelor of Science Honours in Architecture, Technology and Practice, Tom Halliday, Joseph Mills, Tyler Passy, Christoph Schrakuski. Foundation Degree Science in Construction, David Gedwin, Charlotte Coring. Bachelor of Science Honours in Quantity Surveying and Commercial Management, Samantha McWassin, Martin Oliver, Alex Sota. Bachelor of Science Honours in Construction Management and Property Development, Beth Crooks, Chloe Stones. Civil Engineering Degree Apprenticeship, Jessica Buxton, Danielle Deacon, Ben Hodgson Walker, Alexander Johnson, Adam Cakes, B.Eng on Civil Engineering Practice, Sorin Kuser, Georgina Paraskevich, Giovanni Quitter, Bachelor of Arts Honours in Architecture, Design and Business Enterprise, Veron Medic.
Thank you very much, Joanna. Good morning. My name is Dr. Andrew Ramsey, and I'm the Head of Environmental Sciences. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the winners for the Dean's Awards in Environmental Sciences. So we're going to start now with the Bachelor of Science Honours in Biology. So we have Freya Bainbridge, Luke Carrington, Brianna Mellors, and Bethany Tweedy. Congratulations to you all. For the Bachelor of Science Honours in Zoology, Cassie Olsen, Frida Backstrom, Cherry Donahue, Olivia Fee, Liberty Jackson, Anna Kirkiewicz, Samantha Newham, Ivita Nick Andravart, Emily Parker, Bethany Pratt, Alicia Searson, Patricia Schwertz, Pantalina Sirimi, and Benjamin Thornley. Once again, congratulations to you all on your success. For the Bachelor of Science Honours in Geology, we have Luke Longley, Lewis Mackenzie, and Mitchell Partridge. Well done to you all. For the BSc Honours in Geology and Environmental Hazards, we have William Harvey. Congratulations, William. For Bachelor of Science Honours in Geography, we have Jennifer Dawkins, Liam Pring, and Zach Williamson. For the BSc Honours in Geography and Environmental Hazards, Oliver Till. Congratulations, Oliver. For our foundation degree in Animal Management from our partners at Derby College, we have Emma Edwards, Laura Hopkin, and Abigail Vickers. Well done to you. Continuing from Derby College, the foundation degree Science in Equine Studies, the winner is Amy Alexander. From our joint honours programme, Bachelor of Honours in Geography and Global Development, Chloe Haywood. Congratulations, Chloe. And from our Bachelor of Science Honours in Geography with Biology, Katerina Nahirny. Congratulations, Katerina. Okay, that concludes the awards for Environmental Sciences. I'd like to now hand over to Professor Stefan Reich-Margnerich, who is going to deal with computing and engineering. Over to you, Stefan.
Thank you, Andrew. Welcome to students, parents, friends, and colleagues. It's a joyous occasion to be here. I'm Professor Stefan Reich-Margnerich, head of the college, head of the School of Computing and Engineering. Looking at engineering, we can see a very long and proud tradition of engineering in Derby, especially with a focus on mobility, so trains, cars, and planes. But if you look at engineering in today's world, it is undergoing a revolution, or maybe actually two revolutions. One is along a very green dimension, and the other is very much along a line of data science. And our applied research and knowledge exchange in the School of Computing and Engineering is at the interface of enabling the industry to move into that new future. So we have worked through our Institute for Sustainable Engineering, just looking at advanced materials, for example, composites or 3D printing of metals. And we have worked through our Data Science Research Center, which is looking quite often at data models of real systems, often referred to as digital twins. But today is about our students, and our students are at the very forefront of that work that we do. They're engaging through their lectures and classes with the materials that we understand industry will need. And they are, once they graduate from us, and as they are studying with us and go on placements, already at the forefront of this next generation of innovations that will propel the industry forward into the next decade and beyond. So personally, I get much pleasure out from seeing students coming to talk to me about the successes that they have, experiences they had on placements, or experiences that they had in interacting with our industry partners. So today is about formally presenting students for awards, which kind of takes that personal pleasure to a much more much bigger scale. I'm handing over to our head of disciplines, starting with Professor Alistair McEwan for computing and mathematics to present our students.
Thank you, Stefan. I'm Professor Alistair McEwan, the Head of Discipline for Computing and Mathematics within the School of Computing and Engineering. It's a source of great pleasure and pride to see and to participate in our students' achievements and to be here celebrating with you all and your families today. Our winners in computing and mathematics are, starting with the Bachelor of Science Honours in Digital Forensics and Security, we have Victoria Lee, Melanie Marsden, Thomas Osborne and Simon Tonder. For the Bachelor of Science Honours in Mathematics, we have Jake Andrews, Josh Asquith, Bujamar Madhubi, Carrick McMahon and Ikra Yusa. Curtis Khan, Connor McKenzie, David Phoenix and Martina Thomas-Seska. For the Bachelor of Science Honours in Computer Science, we have Alexander Baso, Jamie Carter, Solomon Chamberlain, Joe Cook, Joshua Douglas, Lewis Fitzpatrick, Christos Karounias, Mikhail Kiairu, Stavros Mashiras, Henry Oxley, Daniil Pourfaredis, Benjamin Sharp, Nicholas Sidiropoulos, Gurtej Singh, Cosmas Sourlis and Petros Sakonas. For the Bachelor of Science Honours in Computer Networks and Security, we have Mitchell Heath, Craig Hickling, Nicholas Katsaros, Philippos Kastadimas, and Darren Wright. For the Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Computer Network Engineering, we have Joa Gova Andrade. For the Bachelor of Science Honours in Cybersecurity, we have Joshua Belcher. For the Bachelor of Science Honours, Digital and Technology Solutions, Cybersecurity Analyst, we have Rebecca Earnshaw. I'd like to offer you all my congratulations on your awards today, and it's a great pleasure to be here celebrating these awards with you. I would now like to pass to Dr. Sabuj Malik, the Head of Discipline for Engineering.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Sabuj Malik. I'm the Head of Discipline of Engineering. It is my pleasure today to announce the Dean's Award winners from engineering. From Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering top-up, it is Grant Cummings. From Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Mechanical Engineering, we have Jack Adlard, Erin Baker, Joseph Holland, Stephen Marshall, Philip Warner. From Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Mechanical Engineering with Industrial Year, Francesca Schule. From Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Motorsport Engineering, Aidan Anderson, Augustinas Baltrimijunas, Jackery Harrison, James Heborn, Ilian Iliev, Carol Lasak, Matas Mandelis, Gabriel Palomino. From Higher National Certificate in Mechanical and Production Engineering, Ishaq Ali, Thomas Robinson. From Higher National Diploma in Project and Quality Management, James Howe, Gareth Williams. From Bachelor of Science Honors in Product Design Engineering, Joseph Lawman. From Bachelor of Science Honors and then Foundation Degree Engineering in Electrical Electronic Engineering, William Heath, Jack Lace, Jago Naylor. From Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Anthony Chadwick, John McMullin. From Bachelor of Science Honors in Sound, Light and Live Event Technology, Oliver Bingham, William James, Sam Canning, Elliot McFarlane, Arwin Javier. From Amenge Mechanical Engineering, Muhammad Kashmani. From Master of Engineering in Motorsport Engineering, Jack Kent, Benjamin Lloyd. From Foundation Degree Science in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, Kyle Buckley, Thomas Cherish, Jake Olson. From Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Mechanical Engineering (bracket Aerospace), Alexander Boyle, Zara Holland. From Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Mechanical Engineering with Electronics (bracket Aerospace), Thomas Kumbas, Edward Johnson, Robert Spencer. From Bachelor of Science Honors in Broadcast Engineering and Live Event Technology, Thomas Jones. From Bachelor of Science Honors in Engineering, bracket Electrical Engineering. So I take this opportunity to offer my warm congratulations to all the winners. Well done. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Sally Akehurst. I'm the Head of School of Human Sciences. Our school consists of two discipline areas, biomedical and forensic science and sport and exercise science. I'd first like to congratulate all of you on achieving the awards this year. And some of you I know have achieved this multiple years now, so really fantastic effort, and congratulations to all of you on working so hard to achieve these commendations. I'd also like to thank all students within the school for their excellent commitment to their studies this year. It's been a really difficult year, and I witnessed students really going the extra mile to keep with their studies. I'd also like to take the opportunity to thank all of my team for their continued commitment to provide an excellent student experience throughout the pandemic. I really feel that our staff and students are working collaboratively together to make this the best experience it can be at a difficult time. So finally, I'd like to say thank you to all of you. Congratulations and well done again on your continued hard work and achievement. And I'd now like to hand over to Dr. Shiva Sivasubramaniam, the Head of Biomedical and Forensic Science, to present the first set of awards. Thank you.
Thank you, Sally. I'm Dr. Shiva Sivasubramaniam, Head of Biomedical and Forensic Science. With a great pleasure, let me announce the winners for Biomedical and Forensic Science area. Starting with Bachelor of Science Honours in Forensic Science with Psychology, Jacob Beach, Charles David, and Gemma Lumley. Well done all. Bachelor of Science Honours in Human Biology, Shahaya Dar, Olivia Gatniska, Lucy Harrison, and Molly Hatfield. Congratulations all. Bachelor of Science Honours in Forensic Science with Criminology, Amy Beale, Leah Cooper, Sarah Dobroska, Praises Igminoza, Holly Kaliki, Molly Smith, Consuela Sovroni. Congratulations. Bachelor of Science Honours in Biomedical Health, Reggie Lacote, Berg Megan Cope, Mary Limu, Nasir Monshiva, Shinonizo Nembia, Pekwa Nu, and Bethan Rupa Jones. Well done, you all. I now pass on to Dr. Andy Hooton, Head of Sports, Outdoors and Exercise Science.
Good morning, Dr. Andy Hooton, Head of Sport, Outdoor and Exercise Science. I hope you're all well, and congratulations to everyone who has achieved recognition within the PVC Dean's Awards. A fantastic achievement, and keep striving for excellence. And the winners are Bachelor of Arts Honours in Sport Management, Anthony James Farmer, Matthew Rowley, Oliver Shaw, Jade Chilton, and Susanna Slamkova. Bachelor of Science Honours in Sport and Exercise Science, Isabel Briggs, Christian Brinley, Daisy Clark, Renata Jurovska, Deme Mesros, Sean Reynolds, Stephanie Tipper, Louise Walling, and Amelia Whiting. Bachelor of Arts Honours in Sport and Education, James Bailey, Rachel Brown, Juliet Green, Matthew Navarro, and Erin Roberts. Bachelor of Science Honours in Performance Analysis and Coaching Science, James Moores, Thomas Wood, Ben Pickford, Oliver Staines, and Madeline Wand. Bachelor of Science Honours in Adventure Sport and Coaching Science, George Bright and Gabrielle Wayne. Bachelor of Arts Honours in Outdoor Leadership and Management, Emily Brown, Joseph Kenny, and Chloe Smith. Bachelor of Arts Honours in Sport Coaching and Development, Jack Bates, Jonathan Garner, Billy Johnson, Candeep Mann, and Georgina Walker. Bachelor of Science Honours in Sport Therapy and Rehabilitation, Sylvia Antelova, Emily Baker, Jaria Carter, Sean Corbishley, Cara Fensom, Jasmine Harrow, JD Johnson, Valentina Kaminskate, Danielle Lewis, Nicole Marples, Danielle McLean, Claudia Milkarek, Hinesh Mistry, Henry Mitchell, Jordan Phillips, Ewan Simpson, and Oi Sang. Bachelor of Science Honours in Strength Conditioning and Rehabilitation, Erin Anderson, Spencer Baker, Megan Clark, David Everett, Reese Horn, Nathan Lounders, Freddie Norris, and Timothy Wilding. Bachelor of Science Honours in Physical Activity, Nutrition and Health, Hannah Klementova, Gemma Leveridge, Alessia Locke, and Katie Milton. Foundation Degree Science in Sport Performance and Analysis, James Moores and Thomas Wood. Foundation Degree Arts in Sport Coaching, Charlie Pearson. Foundation Degree Arts in Physical Education and Youth Sports, Ellie Eastwood. Foundation Degree Science in Exercise Science (Health), Keith Binley. That concludes the awards for Sport, Outdoor and Exercise Science. Congratulations to everyone.
Hi guys.
Thank you, Andy, and thank you also to my heads of discipline there and also my heads of school. I'd also like to make a particular congratulations to Rudolf Naumenko for his achievements and successes in his Bachelor's of Engineering Honours in Computer Network and Engineering. The joys of doing live broadcast, so that one was overseen to begin with. So Rudolf, congratulations on your achievements, well done. This year we have some additional very special prizes to give for the deserving students nominated by their programme delivery team. And this year's winners were assessed in terms of their nominations by their programmes team by our Change Champions group, which is an independent panel that sits within the college and is the voice of our academic community. So we have some awards here recognising the particular achievements of some of our students. The first award is the Pro Vice Chancellor Dean's Award in recognition of outstanding academic achievement whilst overcoming adversity. The student receiving this award was nominated by their programme leader for zoology, Dr. Maren Huck, who recognised this student had experienced some very traumatic experiences last year, including the loss of her mother and the onset of dementia in her father. Despite all these adverse circumstances that she had to face during the course of her studies, she continued to persevere, push on, pursue and achieve excellence in her degree achievements and outcomes in her modules. And across her modules, achieving a 2-1 category in a number of her areas and demonstrated great application in both the theoretical part of her programme and also in the practical work that course is central to. So congratulations to Kelly Hudson. The second special award prize that goes out today is the Pro Vice Chancellor's Dees Award in recognition for demonstrating excellence in the community. The student receiving this award was nominated by their programme leader for the Foundation Degree Science in Sport Performance and Analysis, Dr. Luke Gibson. Not only has this student's level of effort and attainment been of an extremely high standard, in her role as programme representative, she has also gone above and beyond to provide a significant level of time and support for her peers throughout her studies. Additionally, this student is a football coach and has helped to increase the participation and performance levels in young girls in the Tameside area of Manchester. The winner of the Pro Vice Chancellor Dean's Award in recognition of demonstrating excellence in the community is Bryony Harper It has been extremely difficult to select only one winner for both of these categories following those nominations received. One of the nominees has been recognised for both awards. The student has been nominated by their programme leader for human biology, Dr. Elizabeth Marsh. And it is with great pleasure that I award Natasha Adams both the Pro Vice Chancellor's Dean's Award for recognition of outstanding academic achievement whilst overcoming adversity, and the Pro Vice Chancellor's Dean's Award in recognising and demonstrating excellence to the community. Natasha is a mature student. She and her family left their support network to move to Derby so that Natasha could study here. She has experienced unimaginable tragedy in her life. Natasha has always sought the support of others, including her family and fellow students, but significantly the support of other families who have also lost children. She volunteers on the NHS Advisory Board to facilitate this. She is utterly determined to achieve her ultimate goal of becoming a sonographer, to further support families who may find themselves in horrific situations. Her courage, determination and dedication to study, achieve and succeed, both in her academic studies and her personal life, is admirable. My sincere congratulations to Natasha Adams for the achievement of both awards. Our partner, the East Midlands Chamber, have this year sponsored experiential awards to overall highest achievers within each college, of which there are 5 across the university for this academic year. This award aims to enhance employability by providing mentoring and work shadowing opportunities, connecting the winners with mentors who represent both senior business leaders and recent graduates. I'm proud to announce that the winner of the East Midlands Chamber Award for the highest overall achiever within the College of Science and Engineering is Jake Andrews. Jake currently is studying his Bachelor of Science Awards in Mathematics, and his Pro Vice Chancellor Dean's Award is in recognition of his efforts during his first stage of his academic year in 2019-20. Many congratulations to Jake Andrews, who's the recipient of the East Midlands Chambers Award for Experiential Achievement. Well done, Jake. I'd like to recognise the students who have not only achieved the Pro Vice Chancellor's Awards this year, but have also done so in previous years. We will acknowledge all individuals during the course of this celebration and also throughout the remainder of this academic year by recognising their achievements in various ways of displaying their names and accomplishments across the walls and the notice boards across the college. We have 52 students who are in this category who have not only won the award this year, but also last year, and in some circumstances, the previous year. I'm not going to read out all 52 names right now. I'm sure you all know who you are, and as do your families, as do your programme teams, more importantly. But I do wish every single one of you every success and continued performance as you go forward in your studies, and congratulations to each and every one of our multiple award winners of the Pro Vice Chancellor Dean's Award. Congratulations to the 52 of you. Well done. I would now like to invite our Vice Chancellor, Professor Catherine Mitchell, to extend her congratulations to you all. Over to Kath.
Congratulations to all winners in today's award ceremony. Thank you to you all for your commitment to your studies and to the university.
Hi guys, just want to say a huge congratulations for your achievements this academic year. It's been a year like no other, but in a year that's had many difficulties, it's really a positive outcome for me, something that I'm immensely proud of you all for your achievements this year on the backdrop of what has been a challenge. You guys have really shone a light for us this year, so thank you and well done, and I look forward to seeing many successes from you all again in the near future. See you soon. Goodbye.
Many congratulations on being the recipient of this year's 2020 Pro Vice Chancellor's Dean's Award. You've worked really hard for this and you should be proud of your achievement. Many congratulations.
Hello, I'm Amal, your program leader. I'd just like to pass on my sincere congratulations on this absolutely wonderful achievement. Well done, everyone. Absolutely well done. Keep up the good work. Absolutely very proud of you. Well done.
Hello guys, Dr. Andrew Butterworth here, your Programme Leader for Performance Analysis and Coaching Science and Sport Coaching and Development. Congratulations to all of you who have got one of the Dean's Awards today. Recognition of some very hard work on all of your parts. So very well done, and I look forward to working with you over the rest of your programme and seeing it through to a really successful conclusion.
Hello, I'm Karen, Programme Leader for IT. Congratulations to all our students. Really well done and best wishes for the future.
Just a quick congratulations to Jenny, Liam, Zach and Ollie on winning a Dean's Award for achievement in 2019-20. Well done.
Thank you very much indeed there to all our programme teams for their messages to not only their students but also those across the college. So thank you to all my programme leaders there. Just to draw today's event towards a close, I would just like to acknowledge 3 of our students who have been instrumental in today's event. They're working tirelessly behind the scenes and you are unable to see them, but myself and my colleagues can hear them in our ears, and they've been instrumental in coordinating not just today's events for the College of Science and Engineering, but have actually been undertaking that work across the university in support of all the Pro Vice Chancellor Dean's Awards within each of the colleges. These students are studying on our Broadcasting Engineering and Live Event Technology programme. They have not only supported today's event, but other events across the university. And I think it's a real testament to the applied work that we do within our courses. It demonstrates their ability to put their theory into practice, which, going back to my earlier message, is core to the college's philosophy around curiosity applied. So I'd like to say a personal thank you and an extended thank you for all colleagues across the college for the work that they have done in putting today's event on, which is Thomas Robinson, Andrew Marriott and Joseph Nelsthorpe. I'm going to applaud you. I can see other faces on the screen will also applaud you, but thank you all very much indeed for your support in putting today's event together. I'd also like to acknowledge the support of Charlotte Dakin, who works within the college's support team in coordinating the event today and supporting us all in preparing for the event, not just in terms of inviting yourselves as students, but also coordinating the academics as well. So Charlotte, thank you very much indeed for your support. Once again, and finally, congratulations to all our winners today. You should be rightly proud of your achievements, of what you have accomplished and what it represents, not just to yourselves and to your friends, but also to your family. And I'm sure they're all equally proud of you, of your accomplishments, as I'm sure you are of yourself. I wish you every success in your continuation in your studies. This has been an unusual year. We very much do look forward to seeing you in more face-to-face situations as we go through the latter part of this academic year and certainly into the next academic year. And I certainly do look forward to seeing you all within your more natural environment of the laboratories, workshops, field experiences and other lecture theatres that you may be involved with. So congratulations to you all today. I wish you all the very best. Enjoy your weekend, celebrate with your friends and family now that we're able to in slightly larger groups than we were a couple of weeks ago. Most of all, stay safe. Best wishes to you all, and congratulations to the Dean's Award winners for the academic year of 2019-20. Congratulations to you all. Well done.